Now, if you're considering, you're saying, yeah, Amanda, this is exactly what I want to do, and you're considering careers in continuous improvement, I want to assure you that this is a skill that is valuable to employers. So you can look here at this number of searches that I did. So I did a bunch of searches in the US. So this is within a US or North America context on Indeed.com. And I could see there that there were a ton of jobs out there. There's over 11,000 jobs as of today that are looking for someone with Lean Six Sigma, specifically Lean Six Sigma. As we zoom out, if we say process improvement, there are 500,000 jobs online that say process improvement is a skill they want their employees to have. Now, this is across all kinds of industries, all kinds of VP, director, manager. We're talking about engineers. We're talking about people in aerospace. We're talking about senseis, lean senseis, or master black belts, right? All of these different jobs are out there, and some of them are jobs that you would have, embedded resources. So you would have people that have those skills that are doing these jobs. And we can look at some of those jobs that value those skills. So a lot of VP, management, engineering, right? These are employers that value this skill. So if you have this skill, they appreciate that. That is something that they're listing in their list of skills that they want. Now, other roles are going to be full-time continuous improvement. So those might be more master black belts, green belt, process improvement engineers, people that full-time are going to be executing these improvement opportunities. So you can see there's a lot of jobs out there for that. So we know today this is a skill that is valued by employers all over the world as well, even though I'm coming at you with the US context here. If we did this search in other countries, we would see a similar trend. So process improvement is something that employers value. But is it something that's going to be around? Is it going to keep being something that employers value? Well, we had back in the past, we have craft production. And then we moved to mass production. And now we're in mass customization. And we're actually going from there to having more personalized production, more automation in our processes. But all of those are achieved by understanding what value is to our customer. So whether or not we continue calling things green belt and black belt, whether we say lean, whether we say process improvement, these skills to reduce the steps that it takes to deliver value for our customers, to be more efficient and effective at our processes, that will continue to exist, whatever we want to call it. Right? To achieve the goals that we have, to make things more personalized, to make them more flexible, we will be using these tools. So these tool sets, understanding Lean and Six Sigma tool sets, will be something that's valuable in the future. Being able to problem solve, being able to break a problem down and identify the root causes, address those root causes, have confidence that you've actually made the change that you want to make. That will remain a valuable skill. So if you're considering continuous improvement and you say, yes, I want to start using these skills, that is a skill employers value. And it is a skill that employers will continue to value over time, even if the certifications change. As I've said maybe earlier in this course, green belt, yellow belt, black belt, as great as those are, they are not well standardized. And a lot of organizations, a lot of universities are now moving to certifications that don't just stick with those belt systems, that might be process improvement, that are more well-rounded, that have maybe more of a lean balance with the Six Sigma, so that we can make sure that we're helping people go from zero to that process maturity, right? That we can get up to that optimized or measured, and that we can help people along that journey. And that journey doesn't always start with green belt.